Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com, here for ntmarkets.com with your Friday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart of the ES. Yesterday was a very interesting day. Yesterday you saw the bears act very well in the morning, making lower lows, continuing to push things. They got down to our proprietary level and our proprietary lower level, and they actually broke through and they made a bias, which should have been, keyword being should, which should have been a gateway to lower prices. But the dip buyers were just too much, and they took it right back up. Anybody that shorted in the hole got creamed, and we're back to trading in the 1950s. So at this point, as I said yesterday, and I think a lot of it has to do with this, we've taken out the September contract high, 47s. We've taken out the cash high, and I don't think you're going to see any meaningful pullback until we take out this 1954.75 continuation high in the futures. All three highs tend to get taken out in these situations where they need to be touched, and we've come back up, and maybe they're coming back up to make a double top. I don't know. We won't know until they try. At this point, it's a lower high, and it just doesn't seem like the market is comfortable with that. And it keeps pushing it back up into that area in order to deal with this high. So where's the important level for me? The important level for me remains 31 to 33. 33 was where we popped off of the Fed announcement. 31 is the weekly pivot, which was also, the higher low, the 29. You had the 29.25 reaction low off the Fed, then you had the 31, then the 33. Those areas remain important, and that is going to be a layer of support when and if we head back down. And now you've got the continuation middle band there, the green line coming in at 31.75. So you've got, you definitely have things lined up in that area to be support, and this is all of that is advantage bulls. So the preparing for any calamitous drop, again, it could happen at any time. I personally think it will happen off of some type of news event. I think it's going to take a catalyst. It's going to take a catalyst to get people out of their long stuff and make them want to stay out of their long stuff. Right now, everybody's hanging around, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to wait for a morning dip this morning, sometime between 9:30 and 11 o'clock Eastern time, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to buy it because that's what works. That's what works every day. So why wouldn't you do it? We're all here to make money. This is a business, and buying that low has worked many, many more days than it hasn't. So until that cycle gets broken, and the frightening thing for bears should be that they tried to break the cycle yesterday, and they were doing a very good job of it, and then it just blew up in their face. And it wasn't some 20-handle ripper, but it was just a matter of you've made some lower lows, you've even made a bias, now we're going to come in and buy it anyway, and we're going to take it back up. And that, underneath the surface, has to be disconcerting to bears. So that's essentially what I'm going to be looking out for today. It's been a very good week, so I would not be over trading today. See what the market gives you, and if the market doesn't give you what you want, start your weekend. Remember, we're in the summer now. We are in the summer. It's officially summer starting tomorrow. But it's summer in the eyes of traders. So I would expect a fairly slow, especially in the afternoon. So don't get caught up in that. And that slowdown also is advantage bulls. Just to throw it all on top of the fire, today is expiration. It's quadruple witching. Whether that has any effect on things remains to be seen. I don't think it has the effect on things that it had maybe 5, 6, 7 years ago. But it's still there, so be aware. So all of that is saying, take it easy today, control your risk, control your position sizing. Not that I don't tell you guys to do that every day, but even more so today. All right, have a fantastic day and a fantastic weekend. Come check us out on Twitter at Princetontrader. Check out the website. Come check out the chat room. I will be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.